How to message a GP practice. Message GP practice is a feature of Accurx that allows you to send messages about a patient directly to their GP practice without having to look up any contact details. We use the personal demographics service to identify the patient's GP practice. Select Compose Message under the Message GP Practice banner. You can choose to send several types of messages: a general message, a discharge summary, or to inform the GP practice about a medication change. Type your own message into the text box provided, or select a template from the drop-down. You can choose to attach a file if you desire. Once you're happy with your message, click Send. A confirmation message will appear when your message has been successfully delivered, and a copy of this message will be sent to your NHS email address. You can also select Get Copy to copy and paste this message into your medical record. If the GP practice responds, their message will be sent to your nhs.net or nhs.uk email address. You'll receive a link in the same email allowing you to respond to the GP practice if further communication is required.